some things I want to say, and I really, really hope that you listen. It's from the heart.
Hey, honey.
Girl, I'm sorry for the things I keep doing. Lord knows better. I only wanna be best for you. When you keep talking, say I'm
Hey, honey. What y'all dabbing ass doing, honey?
they ain't wanna see you happy. They ain't wanna see you satisfied like you need to be. Right
Look what I'm doing, honey.
let you know just how I feel.
Yeah.
I know I've been before.
Chicken and dumplings real quick, honey. Some quick shit. Hey, honey.
That I love you, and I want you in my life. You are the one who makes me happy. You are the only one who I be my wife. Every time it rains, it pours. Looks like it's gonna rain. I see rain like it's before. Feels like it's gonna rain. Oh, sure. Looks like it's gonna rain.
Honey, some quick
It rains, it pours.
biscuit biscuits, honey. Shit. Biscuits, honey. Shit. I got tape on this bitch, honey. It hurt.
Baby, don't someone touching you, holding you, and you calling out his name. It wasn't the way it was supposed to be. Everything I've told you, everything I've showed you,
Wasn't for him, it was made for me.
how could you just forget about us and act like we never existed?
I don't understand you
I know that I was wrong,
to leave you all alone.
so baby, if you don't want me right now,
I just have to move on. Let's read the directions on this bitch, honey. I don't know. Two and 1/4 cups of this shit, baby. If I get the bitch in here, honey. Without making a mess.
Don't wanna be without you.
I hope you get this message.
That you understand that I'm a changed man. I've got
Feelings deep inside.
and my emotions I can't hide. Can't get away to see. Thinking about the way
What?
when you were with me. I put my pride aside and apologize.
It's raining, baby.
Looking like it's gonna rain. Come on, feeling like it's gonna rain. Oh, sure. Looking like it's
Honest,
gonna
I'm gonna make a damn mess after this bitch. First time y'all see me measuring some shit, honey. Yeah, I gotta measure this type of shit because I don't be making biscuits and shit, honey. Shit. I don't even know how to make no homemade biscuits because I don't do it. So I gotta buy this kind of shit, honey. Yeah. See, what is that? And 1/4. I gotta get one more. Fourth. Anybody out here can teach me how to make real biscuits? Nah, don't do it, cause I'll be fat and shit trying to make these damn real biscuits and shit out this bitch, honey. Alright, we got debit biscuit going on, honey. I'm gonna make some debit chicken and dumplings, honey, out of the soup the chicken soup I just made, honey. So I ain't put no noodles in it. I just made chicken soup. If I can eat the damn broth and shit, look, I had to take some of the broth out. Look at this good ass shit, honey. Good ass damn shit, honey. Woo! I had to take some of the damn broth out so I could put the damn dumplings in the shit, honey, shit. So now, what we got going on? Oh, I gotta get the box back. I gotta see how much milk I gotta put in here. And as I know when you be making biscuits and shit, you have flour and cold ass damn butter and milk, honey, or water or whatever the fuck. I ain't never made no damn biscuits, but this can, honey, for my chicken and dumplings. So I gotta read the directions. Okay, let me see what else. How much milk do we need? 2/3 cup of damn milk, honey. Shit. One and 2/3. That should be the biscuits. Stir the shit up, honey. I'm teaching y'all teaching me. Honey, shit. The only kind of biscuits I know how to make, honey. I really don't know how to make biscuits. I ain't gonna fake it and act like I do. I use damn it biscuit after this bitch. And the only reason when I use biscuit, I use it 2 times. That's to make some damn it chicken and dumplings. And I make these damn it sausage balls that I'm gonna have to show y'all with the biscuits one day. With biscuit. These sausage balls, they good as fuck with biscuit. My grandmother used to make it. My grandmother made real biscuits and shit. And real, I never watched her. And real, damn it, the best damn it rolls you ever want to think about having, honest. But my ass didn't ever watch or learn how to make those, which I should have. I wish I would have, because them rolls, oh man, they better than the damn it rolls you be getting out like at Old Charlie's and all that type of shit and Applebee's and shit. Them rolls, nah, my grandmother's rolls was the bomb. But I never learned. Look, we got biscuits. Look, honest. Y'all see the shit, honey? Look, boom. See how quick it was? You have to be rolling and doing all that type of shit, honey. Biscuit. Shit. That's the deal. That's all I need. That's all I need for these damn it chicken and dumplings, honey. Shit. I told y'all, when you get tired of one thing, honey, make some other shit out of it. So what I'm doing, I need to be filled up. And damn it, chicken juice ain't filling my damn ass up at this bitch. I need some damn it biscuits and shit, honey. Shit. It's good as fuck, though. I've been drinking the shit out that shit and eating it. You know, it's good. But it ain't doing it. I need something else, honey. Shit, I need some substance. Out this bitch, honey. I gotta hurry and make it for Anthony get home. When Anthony get home, I gotta go all the way keto, honey. That's it. So while Anthony's damn ass ain't home, I'm eating biscuits and shit, honey. Shit. Honey. That's it. Alright, now I know how to make some good ass damn chicken and dumplings. Look, I already made this chicken soup. This is on my page if y'all want to see how I made it. Onions, thank you for the stars. Who what? Ooh, somebody gave me some fat stars. Rachel, thank you, boo. Much love to you, Rachel, honey. So it's on my page when I made this chicken damn it soup, honey. So I like chicken wings in it. But you use whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter. Put some legs in the bitch. It don't matter. But I like the, either legs, because legs is dark meat, is greasy and shit. I like greasy shit, honeys. Don't y'all? Yeah, I like that kind of shit. Honeys, shit. I'm glad I don't get high cholesterol, but I do eat a lot of them butter and grease and shit, honeys. I do. Thank God I don't get high cholesterol. But anyway, so I had that. I got some parsnips. I put some carrots, a lot of onions. You gotta let the shit cook down, honeys, and get you some damn it good broth. Y'all see what color this? See how this broth is, honeys? You gotta let it cook, honeys. When you making damn it chicken soup and shit, honeys. My shit is done. All I gotta do is drop some biscuits in this bitch, honeys. So what we gonna do? Drop the shit in the shit. That's all you need to do, honeys. Look, boom. Drop it in there. We're gonna have some good ass, damn it, chicken and dumplings, honeys. Shit. Drop it in there while it's boiling. Honeys, this is your dumplings. Biscuits. That's dumplings, honeys. You ain't gotta be rolling the bitches and all that old type of shit, honeys. Do it like this, it's quick. Shit. I know some of y'all damn it asses want to make the biscuits and roll the bitches all up and put some flour on. I ain't doing all of that today. I don't feel like it. I don't even know how. This is the way I do it, and it's good as fuck, honey. Shit. And had you some nice damn it sized dumplings. Not no little bitty ass bitches where you can't see them and they be floating around in the damn it pan and shit. Now I want to see my damn it dumplings. That's it. Yeah. That's all you gotta do, honeys. Drop it in there while it's boiling. It's gonna cook them biscuits. Honeys. That's it. Yeah. So that's what I had in there. I got what else all I told y'all? Parsnips, carrots, onions, celery, honeys. Celery. Put you some thyme in the shit. Put you some garlic, some real garlic. Where you see the damn it garlic floating around in the damn it shit, honeys. If you sick, shit. And garlic gonna help your damn it ass. Y'all see me? I've been drinking the shit out that soup. I'm way better than I was taking that damn it, all that old bullshit y'all had me taking out this bitch, honest. Shit. This drinking this damn it soup, I'm way better. Way better. Way better, honest. Shit. Can y'all see this type of shit, honest? Shit. Let me get a spoon and get it down in there. Yeah, I'm way better eating this soup. I had turmeric in this soup, honeys. And I keep my chicken whole in it. I don't like debone it and all that other bullshit. Y'all can do what y'all do. I like my wings to be my wings. See, look at them. When I'm eating the shit, I want it. You know what I'm saying? Shit, I want to see shit. I don't want no little pieces. I want to see it. I want to eat. I want to see what I'm eating, honeys. Shit. Push it down in there and let it get in the bitch, honeys. Y'all see that type of shit, honeys? Let it cook. Look at it. And it's gonna be the bomb diggity. Alright, that's shit. And then I put some cayenne pepper in it, some turmeric, and some ginger in the soup. And some damn it get well soup out this bitch, honeys. Yeah, to get y'all ass all the way together. Them damn it onions and garlic and shit. Yeah. Turmeric, ginger, and get well soup. And the shit is good. The bomb diggity. And some cayenne pepper. What? Yeah. It'll get you together. I know it look like see it. When you see it on their face, make their face uglier. Yeah, make their face uglier at this bitch, honey. You don't gotta put no flour and shit in the bitch, honey. It's gonna get thick on its own. Just keep, you know what I'm saying, letting it cook, honey. Shit. It'll get thick on its own. Did I die? Yeah, you can see the damn haters on. You can see it on their face, honey. See, smash some more shit in their face, honey. That damn it, give them some haterade at this bitch, honey. See, give them some damn it hater juice at this bitch, honey. See, that's what they want. Give them some. They like hater juice. Keep giving it to them. But they can keep doing this type of shit at this bitch, honey. If they ain't doing this, your ass ain't doing something right at this bitch, honey. Shit. Give them some damn it haterade at this bitch, honey. Yeah, give them something. Look at this type of shit, honey. Y'all see it getting done. It's almost there. It ain't there yet, but it's getting there. Honest. Do y'all see it? See, this is gonna be the bomb diggity. And it's already getting thick. It'll get thick on its own from them biscuits and shit, honest. Shit. Alright, ass. Let me let y'all see this type of shit, honest. Let me let y'all see it. Y'all can't see it. Let me let y'all see it, honest. Shit. Please take my hand. Oh, yeah. Look. Y'all see that type of shit, honest. So what you gotta do. Honest. Yeah. So this was the broth I took out of it. Y'all see it that's floating around in there? That's thyme that's floating around in there. That's what makes it look all cute and shit. Y'all be seeing it in the restaurants. And they y'all be like, damn, I wonder what that is on that soup. It's called thyme. Honest. That's what that is. Look. Look at that type of shit, honest. Y'all know it's gonna be the bomb diggity in a minute, honest. Y'all know it is. Look at it. What? I can't take it. Y'all see it getting thick already? Look. I can't take it, honest. Doop, doo, doop. Yeah. I can't. Look at that. Chicken and shit falling off the bones and all of that type of shit, honey. Yeah. I ain't gonna be able to take it. Look at it. Alright, that's chicken and good ass, damn it, chicken and dumplings, honey. That's the bomb.com chicken and dumplings. I can't take it, honey. Look at that shit, honey. Look at it. Look. What? Yeah. I can't take it. Honey. Look at that shit. Body and soul. And if you're not totally satisfied, please let me know, honeys. I don't understand.
Put your trust in the wrong hands. I know what he's doing.
Yeah.
He'll never appreciate you. He don't deserve you. No.
Put some more time in this shit, honeys. Yeah. Shooby-dooby-doo-doo-doo-doo. Look at this shit, honeys. I can't take it. Look. We're gonna mix it up, though. Look at that type of shit, honeys. Yeah. Chicken and good ass damn it dumplings at this bitch, honeys. Y'all see it? Look at it, hot ass. I swear I would never lie to you. I will always cherish you, honeys. I swear. Look at that. I would never lie to you. I will always cherish you, honeys. I swear. Yeah. Lie to you. I will always cherish you, honey. take it. I will always cherish you, honey. I swear I would never lie to you. I will always cherish you, honey. I would never lie to you. I will always cherish you. Yeah, honeys, can y'all see it? Can y'all smell this type of shit, honeys? Do you get smell of vision, honeys? Can you smell it? Here. Smell it, honeys. The shit is the bomb diggity, honey. It smells so good, honeys. Yeah. That's chicken and dumplings. It's easy, honeys. Ain't nothing to it. Gonna be the bomb diggity in a minute, honeys. See it. Look at it. I can't take it. Y'all see this shit, honeys? Look. What? I can't take it. You eat the shit out the bone, pick the bones and shit on out of it, honey, to make it even better. Cook the shit with the bones. The bones make it good, honey. Shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Y'all heard my man out this bitch, honey. Yeah, y'all heard his damn it ass. Yeah.
Never let you cry.
No matter what.
I know it's just a thing that I'm going through.
Ooh, look at this, honey. See it.
Friends wanna think of me. No matter what.
Good shit, honey. I can't take it. This shit is done. Now we can cut it off. It's done. Alright, this is done. It is done. Let me let y'all see this one more thing real close. Look. Look at this type of shit, honey. Look. I can't take it. Look. What? Look at it, honey. Chicken and damn it dumplings out this bitch, honey. Look at that type of shit, honey. Y'all see it? Onions and celery and shit, honey. Look at this shit, honey. I can't take it. Look. Oh my God. I can't take it. Honey, look at it. What up? What up? What up? Ow! I can't take it. I can't take it, honey. What the? Oh my God. It's done, honey. Cut it off. Never let him see you cry. Y'all see that type of shit, honey? What? I can't take it, honey. Yeah. TheBomb.com, honey. Yeah. Let me give me a damn bowl, honey. Y'all see this shit, honey. And the damn it biscuit is better. You can use canned biscuits when you're making chicken and dumplings too, honey. You can buy some cans of biscuits and pull them off and drop them down in the bitch and do the same shit. But the biscuit is way better. Way, way, way better. Honest. But you can do canned biscuits. I'm just saying, you can. I do them sometimes. But the damn it biscuit, damn it, chicken and dumplings out this bitch, honey. I can't, Look. I can't take, Look at this, honey. Can y'all see it, honey? Can y'all smell it out this bitch, honey? Shit. I can't take it. Yeah, nah, boo. I ain't gonna be able to take this type of shit, others. Y'all see it, others? Y'all see how thick and shit this shit is, others? See it? What? Give me some damn it biscuits, others. Some dumplings. That's what they are. If your ass wanna make them homemade, then do your damn it ass out this bitch, others. Shit. So I ain't doing it. I don't know how. Look at, wait a minute, hold up. Hold on, honey. Let me put some more, damn it. Let me put this phone down for y'all can see this type of shit, honey. Put some more thyme on the shit, honey. It's gonna make it look cute, honey. Shit. You don't need no pepper, put thyme on it. Put you some thyme on this shit, honey. Tell me, I'm gonna show it to you in a minute so y'all can see what the shit look like out this bitch, honey. It's thyme, honey. Look at this. Look. That. Look. You don't need no damn it crackers and shit, honey. You got biscuits. Look at that. What? I can't take it. I can't take it. I cannot take it, honey. I can't take it. Nah. Boo. I ain't gonna be able to take this type of shit, honey. Let me get a spoon so we can try the shit out this bitch, honey. Shit. Let's see what the deal is, honey. Shit. Honey. Ooh, I can't take. Look at this thick shit too. It's thick. Look at that. You could probably eat this bitch with a fork at this bitch, honey. I can't take it. Can y'all, honey? Shit. I don't want no hot sauce. No, I got cayenne pepper in it. It's cayenne pepper in this soup. It's spicy. Let me give y'all some. Let me give y'all some of this type of shit. Let me get y'all some curd and shit on the bitch too, honest. Hold on. I'm gonna give y'all some. Just hold your horses, honest. Let me blow it for you. Hold on. Hurt. Open up your mouth, honest. Huh? Boom. Did you get some, honest? Y'all, I know y'all want some more. I know y'all do. Hold on. Hold your damn it horses, honey. I'm gonna give you some of this good shit, honey. Look. Can y'all see? What? It's hot as fuck though. Hot. Her. Open up your damn mouth out this bitch. Hot as her. Boom. You get some? Chicken and shit, honey. Curds. Green, onions, celery, parsnips, honey. Put you some parsnips in the bitch, honey. It's good. Look, huh? Can y'all see it? Look, her, boom. I can't take it. This shit right here, honey. Oh, I can't take it. I can't so much take it. Can you freeze it? Yeah, you can freeze it. You can freeze anything. You can pretty much freeze anything, honey. You can freeze it. You can definitely freeze it. Look at that shit. Look how it's dripping. All slow and shit. Y'all see that type of shit, honeys? That's how thick the shit is, honeys. I can't too much take this type of shit, honey. Purple hearts, let's go. I just want to show y'all real quick. Purple heart. Go, honey, go.
To the best to survive. I step down a road. The system won't let me go. Every step is tell me which way will I go. I promise you that I try. I do the best till I die. Yeah, do
Make it contagious, honeys. Do something for somebody, honeys. I will see you guys later.